Hello everyone. What I have today is a Mul-T-Lock Junior. Focus on the key. You can see our bitting. Key works great. Alright, let's focus on the lock now. There we go. Alright, we're in a deep false set. Try to raise the inner pin. I believe it's pin 4. Just checking the others to be sure. Yeah, it's pin 4. There we go. Open. Alright, now to gut this thing. Don't leave the frame, buddy. All right. Now let's get these screws off. And we got the key, we can lock it up. I suppose I should get a little mini screwdriver to keep in this box, because this can sometimes be awkward. It's taking me longer to get these screws out than it did to pick the lock. There we go. Alright. Find a shim. Our follower. All right. Well, you can see here, if I can get a little focus, all of our pins are in there. All right, pin 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's our core. I'm going to straighten these up a little bit. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh, lost a little focus there. Sorry about that, folks. All right. Pin 5 is a sprung pin and pin. I'm just going to put all the springs up there because they're the same. I believe these are all sprung pin and pins. Alright, well, let me get you a close-up of these pins. You can see if I can get it gripped just right. You can see that the driver pins are sprung. Very interesting, very cool lock. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate it, and yeah, this was a great learning experience. I was always kind of hesitant to get into the multi-locks and things, but they're not so bad. I'll admit, this one kind of gave me fits the first night. Rubbed a blister into my thumb working at it, but once you figure it out, it's really easy. So if you haven't tried one before, don't be afraid to jump in and get your feet wet. Everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great night.